Ever wondered why some foods spoil faster than others? The secret lies in moisture content. Controlling moisture is crucial for maintaining food quality and extending shelf life. Let's dive into how moisture analyzers play a pivotal role. Moisture analyzers are essential tools in the food industry. They ensure consistency and prevent spoilage by accurately measuring water content. Without them, maintaining product quality would be a guessing game. Moisture analyzers operate on the thermogravimetric principle. They weigh a sample, heat it to evaporate moisture, and reweigh it to determine water content. This process ensures precision and reliability. Using halogen or infrared heating, these devices achieve rapid and uniform drying. This technology allows for quick, accurate moisture analysis, crucial for maintaining high standards in food production. Moisture analyzers are indispensable in measuring moisture in flour, grains, and more. They ensure regulatory compliance and correct labeling, which is vital for consumer trust and safety. By optimizing moisture levels, these analyzers enhance texture, flavor, and shelf stability. They are key to producing high-quality food products that meet industry standards. Accurate moisture analysis prevents overdrying or underdrying, which can affect taste and texture. It supports real-time decision-making, reducing waste and production costs. Investing in a reliable moisture analyzer is crucial for quality assurance. By doing so, you'll ensure product consistency, optimize production efficiency, and maintain customer trust. Let's make moisture control a priority in food manufacturing. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to reach out with any topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. You can also visit our website or other social media platforms for professional updates. The links are provided in the description below. Until next time, this is Groyyo Learning signing off.